Kia ora. I'm just going to have a look at how you can use some of the suggestions in this course to improve your writing. So let's have a look at the prompt engineering area. So we go to prompt engineering. Here it says, there's tutorials. This is what's happening now, and I'll be updating this as we go. If we look at this first, structured questions, I want to improve some of my writing, say. So I'm going to copy and paste the instruction. You are a professional academic tutor, reviewing the following text, giving feedback on grammar, spelling, ambiguity, and tone, give suggestions so I can improve my writing. Now, the emphasis here on my writing tells the system that you, by putting capital letters here, it actually increases the emphasis on that it's my writing I'm referring to rather than just generic writing. Now, if I copy that and we go to ChatGPT, you can see we've got I'll put a new chat there. We've got a new chat in 3.5. I can paste that in right there, and then I can hit Shift Enter, which will create another line. I put in a quote mark to say this is where I'm going to put the new text. And let's grab the following lines from this document. Now, hopefully they're all okay, so we can copy those. And I'll go in here and paste them in. Now, what I'll do is, just so that we have some things that I've got wrong in this document here, what I'll do is answers from different, let's say, different cats and things. And let's also change this word to thigh, cis, right? So from distant cats and things and thigh. Let's see what it thinks about that. Now at the end here, I can also add that following quote. And so this is now the text here. So I'm expecting it to pick this one up and say something about this. So let's have a look. When I press enter, it sends it. You could also pick the wee button that was just over here, just over there. And you can see now it's generating the revise of the text to feedback. So it's given me a revised version, right? Where 3 to 5 categories and perspectives, this approach. So it's fixed the errors that I introduced. So as you can see here, spelling, grammar, correct this to this. So it found that. Improve the clarity, reading, ensure the consistency. Clarify phrases like different cats and things to various categories or perspectives for better understanding. Categories and perspectives is probably better than different cats and things, because I don't know. Yep, it obviously recognized that was an error. Maintaining the professional tone throughout, and consider providing examples of specific scenarios to illustrate your points. Provide guidance to how to check the accuracy of AI-generated information, such as fact-checking against reliable sources. So this information is what I'm interested in. As a person writing, I want to improve on this stuff. Now, this one, ChatGPT 3.5, has also given me this information. Now, if I was to do the same, let's highlight this, and grab and copy, and put that into Gemini. So this is a new Gemini quote. I can place that in there, so you can see it's exactly the same quote, with the same comments, and then I can hit submit, just there. And as you can see here, Gemini is going through the process. Now, because this is the advanced Gemini, I'm paying for this one, it will actually be slightly better at this stage. But what it's doing is that it found the same typo. It also said something about make confident mistakes. While accurate, consider rephrasing like generate answers that, while appearing confident, are incorrect. Right? So it's both better and better emphasis. So here you can see it's giving me cats and things is unclear what things refer to. Are usage so different perspectives or angles. So it is trying to fix up something that I just added in and got wrong. And here it talks about tone, conciseness, and authority, right? So overall suggestions. And then at the end, it gives me the answers. But really the important bit that I'm interested in is all of this feedback that makes me better at writing, because that's what we want to be improving. I just don't want to make someone else a better writer. I want to be a better writer. So Gemini, you can see, makes those same suggestions and comes up with text. And I'll also quickly show you in Claude where we can do the same thing. I've put in the same copy and pasted, and Claude, again, this is as a free model, it will do a reasonably good job because Claude is quite good at this sort of task. It is designed around some of the academic stuff. So if we have a look here, it's happy to provide. It's again spotted the spelling mistake. Well done, Claude. Good work. It's looking at ambiguity and it's rephrased cats and things. As you can see, is ambiguous. It doesn't know what that is, and so it says I should do something about it. It hasn't actually told me what to do, but for example, ask the approaches or perspectives. So here it's given me that suggestion for approaches or perspectives rather than cats and things. Rephrase this sentence, which is probably reasonable, and consider adding transitions or conceptual phrases. So double check for spelling grammar. Overall, so this one has, again, given me those suggestions. This is the sort of way you can use AI to help you improve the way you write, rather than just handing it over to the AI and hoping the AI will get it right. Here it's telling me how I can get better. So hopefully that's an example of how you can use this sort of input, particularly with capitalizing my writing, to get a good feedback from the AI.